Hi folks, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI radar. Recently, leading North American AI studios like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Cohere met representatives of Tsinghua University and other Chinese state-backed institutions in a secret meeting in Geneva in July and October of 2023 to discuss the safe development of more advanced AI technology. The discussions took place with the awareness and permission of the US government, according to the Financial Times, despite the Biden administration's efforts to restrict the export of powerful computer chips for artificial intelligence applications and even some AI software to China, with the goal of slowing its technological advancement. Chinese government officials were also aware of the meetings. Given how much the two parties are interweaved, imagine how this could move one to another. The Sheikh Group, a private mediation organization, arranged the talks. Both sides discussed AI's risks, policy proposals, areas to collaborate in technical cooperation, and AI safety research investment. The goal is to uncover a safer scientific route for advancing AI technologies. According to a negotiator, the successful meetings have paved the way for future talks focused on aligning AI systems with the legal codes and societal norms. If discussions in those meetings were secrets, it's no secret that Nvidia's China's customers don't want its downgraded chips. The aforementioned Biden administration's export restrictions led to tech companies starting to prepare for a world with less access to Nvidia's chips. Indeed, Nvidia doesn't escape these restrictions. So, in order to try to keep selling to China, it recently unveiled a slower, less powerful version of a gaming processor that complies with US export controls. As the GeForce RTX 4090D chip is going on sale this January, Nvidia is already experiencing some headwinds, with some of China's largest cloud companies indicating that they don't want to buy the chips. Alibaba Group, Tencent, Baidu, and TikTok owner ByteDance have all suggested that they're planning to order far fewer chips from the American company this year, now that its most powerful chips aren't on offer. The Wall Street Journal reported Chinese cloud companies currently source around 80% of high-end AI chips from Nvidia, and that is likely to decline to 50-60% in the next 5 years, said Frank Kung, an analyst at tech research firm TrendForce. By downgrading its chips, there is far less of a performance gap compared with locally made Chinese alternatives, meaning the companies may start to shop at home instead, per the report. Chinese firms are also concerned about potential increases to US restrictions, and this could add to the reluctance of buying from a third foreign party, like Nvidia. Meanwhile, Nvidia unveils 3 AI-optimized consumer GPUs equipped with extra tensor cores: RTX 4060 Super, RTX 4070 Ti Super, and RTX 4080 Super, priced between $599 and $999, that will power local AI systems, meaning a new generation of artificial intelligence-powered PCs by leading manufacturers like Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, Lenovo, MSI, Razer, and Samsung, bringing a full set of generative AI capabilities to users right out of the box. So, after building AI models for local machines, developers can optimize them using the Nvidia TensorRT library to take full advantage of RTX GPU's tensor cores. The 3 new chips are intended mainly for gaming, one of the main forms of media for which GPUs were originally invented, but they're also intended to efficiently run generative AI applications locally on a PC, which is critical for privacy, latency, and cost-sensitive applications. For example, Nvidia claims The GeForce RTX 4080 Super generates AI video 1.5 times faster and images 1.7 times faster than the GeForce RTX 3080 Ti GPU. More generally, Nvidia says the tensor cores in super GPUs deliver up to 836 trillion operations per second, bringing transformative AI capabilities to gaming, creating an everyday productivity. Nvidia also extended TensorRT to text-based applications with TensorRT Large Language Model for Windows, an open-source library for accelerating large language models, indeed. The latest update to TensorRT LLM adds Microsoft V2 model to the list of supported models like Codeyama, Llama 2, Mistral 7b. Google DeepMind spin out Isomorphic Science deals with Lilly and Novartis. Isomorphic, a Google-owned drug discovery company that was spun out of Google DeepMind, has signed partnerships with the two big pharmaceutical companies to work on new drugs. The essential bet on Isomorphic Labs is that it can use massively high-dimensional and function approximation systems, e.g. AlphaFold, to speed up important scientific processes like drug discovery. The deal with Lilly includes a $45 million upfront payment and more than $1.7 billion in potential milestone payments. The one with Novartis is for $37.5 million, with $1.2 billion possible based on performance targets. The announcement didn't specify what diseases or conditions Isomorphic will be targeting in either partnership. Both deals, however, mentioned that the therapies will be based on small molecules, which is an indication that Isomorphic is looking at more than just protein-based therapies. Both deals are structured as research collaboration, with Isomorphic Labs being eligible for billion-plus amounts of money for hitting performance-based milestones. For Novartis, on the other hand, the companies are doing a strategic research collaboration to discover small molecule therapeutics against 3 undisclosed targets. The Eli Lilly deal is similar, with the companies working together to discover small molecule therapeutics against multiple targets. The company, whose CEO is Demis Hassabis, the co-founder and CEO of Google DeepMind, was originally set up following DeepMind's breakthroughs in using AI to predict protein structures. Getty Images is already ensuring intellectual property is protected. Trained using Nvidia's Picasso model, generative AI by iStock only learned from Getty's creative library and iStock's stock photo library. It didn't train on Getty's editorial image library to prevent it from generating trademarks or known personalities. So Getty Images and Nvidia have deepened their AI partnership with the launch of generative AI by iStock, a text-to-image platform specifically designed to make stock photos. It allows users to be more efficient in their workflow and get more precise photos that they need, even something that they can't feasibly do with the camera. Generative AI by iStock builds on Getty's first foray into AI image generation, generative AI by Getty Images. The difference being that the image platform from iStock, a stock photo service owned by Getty, helps individual or single set users, unlike Getty Images, which is more of a multi-user enterprise solution. Pricing will be $14.99 for 100 prompts, with each prompt generating 4 images. Another big difference between the Getty Images AI platform and the new iStock service revolves around legal indemnity. Unlike generative AI by Getty Images, users will not have unlimited indemnification. The iStock platform will have a cap of $10,000 per asset, the same license it offers for its current library. As with Getty's first generative AI platform, contributors whose content was used to train the model can participate in a revenue sharing program. The iStock platform will also gain in-painting and out-painting features soon, Alexander Lazarou, a Getty spokesperson, told The Verge. Since 2024, Mickey Mouse enters the public domain and immediately gets its own generative AI model. The first 3 cartoons by Walt Disney to feature Mickey Mouse, Steamboat Willie, Plain Crazy, and the Galloping Gaucho finally entered the public domain this year, generating a wave of AI-generated art from satirical to critical, highlighting the broader applications of AI and copyright in our cultural landscape. In particular, clever developer Alexander Doria immediately used a few dozen still frames from those early films to train a fine-tuned version of text-to-image generator Stable Diffusion called Mickey Mouse 1928 that allows users to create images of the iconic mouse as well as Minnie Mouse and Pete Leg Pete in all kinds of poses and situations in the style of those 3 early films. Models like this show how we can trivially revitalize old cultural items and use their clean aesthetics and style to create endless new variations of themselves. The model is available on Hugging Face along with its final dataset, which includes 40 stills from Galloping Gaucho in color, 22 stills from Plain Crazy, 34 stills from Steamboat Willie. This is still a work in progress. The stills are not currently available in high quality and you shouldn't expect consistently good results from Mickey 1928, warns the developer. The color images from Galloping Gaucho are in 360 by 360 pixels. Hopefully, with cartoons now being part of the public domain, higher definition versions should be available. Okay folks, it's all for today. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. See you the next time. Bye.